Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. I'd like to take this opportunity to talk a little bit about the benefits of the radish leaves and why I plant radishes and focus on planting radishes not for the fruit part but more for the leaves, because they are loaded with vitamins and minerals and benefits for the whole body in terms of assisting with reducing fatigue and acting as a natural diuretic as well. So here I've got some radishes that I've harvested. I mainly use the leaves. I use the red part for adding to salads and also sauteing with some butter as well as a potato alternative. But I also have planted some radish microgreens that are ready to harvest. Within about a week and a half to 2 weeks they'll be ready. They'll be crunchy to add to salads, to add to eaten raw and add to sandwiches as well. Now radish leaves are amazing. They are a bomb of minerals, vitamins, rich in calcium, iron, folic acid, phosphorus and also vitamin C. Just make sure to add a little bit of lemon juice in order to assist the body in absorbing the vitamin C as well. And they also are really important for helping with bettering your health and improving your health. They have a high fiber content that will help you with assisting to get rid of constipation issues, digestion issues as well. They also reduce fatigue and they act as a mild diuretic to help in cleansing the body and assisting with kidney health as well. They also assist with detoxifying, because the toxins and the impurities that are in the body, they also need to be flushed off. Now drinking a lot of solids, eating fresh greens such as radish greens are really important, especially radish greens, because radish greens are rich in antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, which also help to detoxify the body. They help to remove the toxins and they help to purify the blood, as well as keep the liver and the kidney super healthy. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I hope that you get the time and the chance to harvest some radish greens. Now if you have winter where you live, then you can still plant some radish microgreens at home. They're super easy to plant and they'll be ready in as less as 2 weeks. Thank you so much, and if you've enjoyed today's content, like, subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have